Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you some very interesting facts about a very fascinating country, that is UAE, United Arab Emirates. Now, where is United Arab Emirates situated? The UAE are located in the Middle East on the Western Asian continent. The UAE shares borders with two countries, Saudi Arabia and Oman. The UAE consists of a federation of seven emirates. Abu Dhabi is the largest emirate. Abu Dhabi is also home to the capital city, also called Abu Dhabi. Dubai is the second biggest emirate and the economic hub of the region. The UAE's national airline is called Emirates and has its head office in Dubai. Emirates is not only the largest airline in the Middle East but one of the largest in the world. The United Arab Emirates are situated on the Arabian Peninsula and border the Persian Gulf. The country has mountains in the eastern part and a dry desert with rolling sand dunes in the center. The landscape is generally barren and dry, even along the coastal plain bordering the Persian Gulf. The UAE have a dry desert climate and temperatures can easily reach more than 40 degrees centigrades or 104 degree Fahrenheit in summer. Natural hazards include sandstorms, dust storms, and haze. Among the most popular landmarks of the UAE, they are the Burj Khalifa, the tallest skyscraper in Dubai, and Burj Al Arab is known for its architecture as the building does resemble a huge sail. The UAE's natural resources are natural gas and oil. The UAE ranked 6th in the world for reserve of natural gas and crude oil in 2019. The main trading partners of the UAE are India, China, Japan, Iran, the USA, and Oman. The main exports are natural gas and crude oil, as well as dried fish and dates. Arabic is the predominant language in the UAE. The Arabic alphabet has 28 letters and is written from right to left. English is the second most spoken language in the country. The Emirates follow the Muslim religion. Islam is not only the largest religion but also the state religion in the UAE. The Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque in Abu Dhabi is the largest mosque in the country. This mosque has 82 domes and the main dome is the largest of its kind in the world. In this mosque, you can also admire the world's largest carpet and the world's largest chandelier in the main prayer hall. The work week in the UAE runs from Sundays to Thursdays, and most offices are closed on Fridays. Desert animals such as camels and gazelles live in the hot and dry desert areas of the UAE. I hope you will enjoy these amazing facts about this fascinating country. Thank you.